about to embark on the most wonderful experience of your life. I will not explain at this moment how and why it works. I don't have the time. It just does. The secret is not apparent to the casual listener. Make sure you don't do this exercise for the express purpose of feeling better or to get something out of it. Do it for the pure love of doing and thinking properly. Desiring something in return.